Today we have day 29 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints. By the time this video is uploaded, there will be 2 prints left. Just 2 prints left of this challenge. It has been quite exciting. We're not done just quite yet, so we still have to keep on going in order for me to receive this Halloween themed trophy. Today we have a Cauldron, and honestly, let's just hop straight into today's video and see how the print went. The print went superbly. Right now it is actually being displayed on the desk with some candy inside, and that's all we have today. If you guys happen to enjoy today's video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. We'll be having a different style of content in the month of November, so be on the lookouts for that. And join us tomorrow for another print for this 31-day challenge.